Hello and welcome to a quick orientation to SmartFactory for NetSuite by PCG. In this video, we'll provide a quick illustration of how the electronic batch record rounds out the batch management trifecta that includes kitting and batch management for those customers that have regulatory compliance needs. When customers have very explicit protocols or SOPs, SmartFactory is the enabler to record all of that process control on a per batch basis. Typically, all that information can be housed in the SmartFactory tab of a NetSuite Item Master, identifying the nominal targets, the upper and lower control limits that the operations team must adhere. Ultimately, those are manifested in SmartFactory as part of an electronic batch record. Once again, we're in work order 805. I've already issued materials, but as I'm progressing through this batch, I want to make sure that I can account for everything that I'm responsible for as an operator. My electronic batch record helps me record all those critical process control points, whether I capture the data directly from equipment if using machine integration, or I enter it manually if I don't have that capability available. One of the nice things SmartFactory can make the operator aware is to present a run chart how any given variable has been trending, so I'm very aware of how my process is performing. In my case, I'm just going to enter the results manually. As I complete all my reporting, I have the ability to sign off and acknowledge that to the best of my ability, this is how I monitored and executed this batch. So I've essentially created that electronic signature. I have the opportunity to save that information, and just like lot trace on the material side, I've preserved accountability of all those processing points. Should I need to, the opportunity to audit any of the batches that I've done along the way are readily available, where I can see all the variables on a per batch basis to include all the materials that were issued and quickly compare batch to batch for auditing or continuous improvement purposes. When I confirm the end of the run, sending all the information over to NetSuite, not only am I capturing all the transaction-oriented data to the work order completion and inventory, I'm also tracking all those process variables from an EBR perspective to help correlate process control to product compliance. Suite Analytics allows me to evaluate item by item, work order by work order, batch by batch. How well did I control those variables? Conditional formatting enables me to quickly recognize where I trended toward a control limit. The graphics capability allows me to evaluate how different variables influence either each other or possibly compliance requirements for the product itself. To learn more about the EBR and SmartFactory, please visit smartfactory.com. Thank you very much. Have a good day.